안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Korean potato pancake, Gamja-jeon. This recipe is super easy but delicious. Usually Korean pancake is made with flour or pancake powder and ingredients, but this Gamjajeon is made with potato itself. Especially Korean potato is usually cultivated in Gangwon Province in Korea. They have great hills and mountains which is good for potatoes to grow. So Gamjajeon became a specialty of that region. It has various versions. Some people add onion or carrot or green onion, which adds some color and crunch texture to the dish. But today I'm gonna show you the basic version, which is made with only potato. Simply, I'm gonna garnish with red and green chili to add some color, but it's not a mandatory thing. Okay, then let's set the table. First, wash and peel the potatoes. And grate the potatoes. When there is a small piece left, be careful not to hurt your fingers. Just use a fork. And if you don't have a grater, use a blender. When it's done, prepare the strainer on a bowl and add the ground potatoes. Let it sit for 10 minutes. During the time, slice the red and green chili diagonally. After that, remove the seeds. And let's make a dipping sauce. In a bowl, put soy sauce, vinegar, water, sesame oil, and red and green chili. Mix well. Let's get back to potato. When you tilt the bowl, you can see that potato starch is laid on the bottom. Drain only water at the top. Next, add ground potato in it and mix well with potato starch. And season with salt. Mix well gently. Heat enough oil in a pan and put mixed potatoes. Potato is easy to burn, so keep medium-low heat. Make a thin and round shape. And put red and green chili on it as a garnish. When the edges are brown, flip over. Make both sides golden brown. When it's done, move them to the plate and serve with dipping sauce. smells so good. And look at this. It's very flexible. And it's really good when it's hot. So I gotta eat this right now. It's so savory. I can taste full of potato and I love this texture. You can ask me what's the difference between hash browns. Hash browns are crunchier and chunkier, but this Gamjajeon is softer and chewier. Delicious. And let's try to dip this into dipping sauce. It's already seasoned with salt, so it's yummy itself. But if you dip this into this sauce, we call this 초간장. 초 means vinegar and 간장 means soy sauce. You can taste another high level. Today I made Gamjajeon. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.